Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, welcome to my channel. If you're new, it's great to have you. I am a part-time reseller, so I flip clothing, shoes, and accessories on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and I love sharing my strategies with you guys, tips and tricks, all of that here on this channel. So today I'm actually going to give you a 90-day update on a ThredUp DIY denim rescue box that I purchased and I unboxed for you back in November of 2021. So if you love reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I post lots of reseller content a few times a week, just whatever's working for me in my reseller business, in hopes that it helps you in yours. If at any point you find this helpful, the best way to let me know is to drop this video a like. It lets me know that you enjoy this kind of content and you want me to make more of it. Every time I do an unboxing, I do it pretty much live. I record right in front of the camera as I'm opening it up. I don't look in it first most of the time because I want to give you my raw reaction to what's inside. And then I always come back 90 days later after everything has been listed for 90 days to talk about what has sold and how much it sold for, how much money I actually made on the box, and was the box worth picking up. My goal with a ThredUp denim box is typically to triple the amount of money I spent within 90 days. So what I'll do is I'll link the original video up here if you guys want to watch the original unboxing. I'll tell you guys what sold from least profitable to most profitable. Ordinarily, I would show you guys anything that I still have left, but actually this time I have nothing left. There were like 3 things left, and I recently just sent them all back to ThredUp because I'm moving and I needed to get some things moving around here. So this box was $65, about $66 with the shipping, and it was 50 pounds of DIY denim. So ThredUp, just real quick, their rescue boxes, specifically the denim, is 50 pounds, and it is a combination of things. Either it didn't pass quality check for them to sell, or sometimes it's men's clothing that they don't sell men's clothing at all, or it's items that were listed on their site and have expired and were not reclaimed. So it's typically a mix of those things. They are $60, I think, or at least at the time they were, plus $5.99 shipping. And I ended up listing 18 items out of this box, which quite frankly, I forgot about this box because pretty much everything I listed sold fairly quickly. And I didn't list very many just because I already knew I was going to be moving. And so I sent a lot of the stuff like to buy, sell, trade. I didn't actually list as many pieces as I normally do. So $65 in, and I'll show you over here what has sold. All right, first up are these Levi's 514. So actually, no wonder it took the longest to sell. These were the last to sell. They were 514 khaki jeans. I listed them as 541, so I had a typo in there. I'm not sure if that affected the sale, but these were men's jeans. They sold on Poshmark for $12. Those came close to the 90-day mark, so I kind of just accepted an offer on those just to let them go. Then I had these Rue 21 mid-rise jeggings, and ordinarily I wouldn't list Rue 21. If it comes in a ThredUp box, a lot of times that's reserved for buy, sell, trade, or I donate that back. But these were brand new with tags, and they were a size 16. So these actually sold for $12 as well. They did sit for a while, but again, sometimes I'm going to sell off some of this stuff in attempts to make my money back, and go towards the profit on the box, not necessarily looking for a high flip or anything. There were these embroidered bell-bottom jeans, and I'd be willing to bet these were actually part of a Halloween costume. They had no brand. They were super cheap, but they were like a really big dramatic flare with like floral embroideries down the side. Those actually sold on Poshmark within a week for 13 bucks. So that was pretty cool. I had these ANA jeggings, again, not typically a brand that I source and sell, but since I had them, I did go ahead and list them. They sold for $13 on eBay. Those took about 5 weeks to sell. Then these Kimra, actually, I don't even have a screenshot of these because they sold so fast, and I don't have a screenshot on eBay. After 90 days, I'm a little bit late on this video. But there was a pair of Kim Rogers jeans. Normally I would have donated these back as well, but these were brand new with tags, so I did list them. They sold for $14.99. So again, not a ton, but they were new with tag, and pretty much anything new with tag, I do go ahead and put up just to see if it'll sell. American Eagle skinny kick jeans. I love getting American Eagle jeans in a ThredUp box. They sell so fast. These sold in 2 days. They weren't in the greatest condition, so I listed them for $18, and I think I sent an offer within that first couple of days, and they sold for $15.54 is what I have, minusing the shipping discount. I take that out of my profit. Then I had 2 pair of Madewell jeans in this box. These were the high riser skinny, and they were coated, so small size, not totally in style, or maybe they're in style. I don't know. Comment below. Are coated jeans in style right now? Not sure. They did take a couple months to sell, but they sold for $18 on Mercari. Then I had the other pair of Madewell jeans, were just the skinny style. Those were better size too, size 28. Not in the greatest condition, but still sold $18 on Mercari. I had these skinny ankle jeans from Joe's Jeans, and Joe's Jeans, they're so hit or miss. Let me know in the comments how you do with Joe's Jeans. They either sell right away or they sit and don't sell like ever. These sold within 2 weeks for $20 with the discounted shipping on Poshmark. I almost wonder if I could have gotten more. I just was like, oh, Joe's Jeans, like, let me just take whatever offer I can, but maybe they were a good style. I don't know. And then one of my favorite brands to source and sell if I can get it at the right price, BKE. These were the Harper bootcut jeans. So not the most current style, still sold for $26 on Poshmark. I had a pair of Lucky Brand 181 Relaxed Straight jeans, and Lucky Brand men's jeans do so well. I love it when I get them in these denim boxes. I love it when I can thrift it for the right price. It doesn't really seem to matter the size or the style. If it's Lucky Brand men jeans, it does fantastic. So these I had listed for $35. I think I sent an offer. So my sale price is $32 on these on Poshmark, and that was a great sale. The pair of BKE jeans I got were a size 29 long, which actually the long sizes tend to sell even better. Like the regular sizes do great. The long sizes do phenomenal. I listed these for $35. They sold the very next day, flat out, no offer, no nothing. I almost wonder, should I have listed those a little bit higher? So those sold on Poshmark. And the clear winner out of this box was the Mother Looker ankle fray jeans. I mean, anytime you get Mother, as long as it's in good shape, even if it's got some flaws, it's definitely worth listing. These, I listed them for $70. Somebody sent me a $50 offer on Mercari, so I went ahead and accepted it. Still a $50 profit or a $50 sale on an item where the whole box was only $65. I mean, you know, of course I'm going to take it. So so just to recap, there's nothing left. There were 3 items that didn't sell after 90 days. Those 3 items went right back to ThredUp. I finally got my hands on a partner kit label, so I did go ahead and send some stuff in just for the sake of I'm moving and I wanted to not move things that are kind of stale at this point. So all total, I paid $65.96. We'll call it $66 for the box. The total revenue on the box is $221.91. So let's call that $222. So I've officially over tripled my money on this ThredUp denim box. So would I order this box again? Absolutely. The ThredUp denim box is hands down my favorite box to source. It's so fun to go through. And almost every box I get, I at least double, if not triple, my money. And I am itching to get into my new place so I can order another one of these. I haven't ordered one since November, and I'm feeling a little left out with these boxes. So stay tuned. Again, make sure you're subscribed. Once I get into my office, I will be doing a lot more unboxings because I'll need to ramp up my inventory again. Also too, this is one of the last videos you'll see of 2021 updates. Almost all of my 2021 boxes are at their 90-day mark, at or beyond. And I am gonna do a best and worst boxes video for 2021. So I'm gonna do top 10 best and top 10 worst mystery boxes based on how much money I made. You know, I always do double or triple my money as a rule of thumb. So how close did I get to those targets with the best, and then what happened with those worst? Did I lose money or what? So I wanted to give all the boxes the chance to reach 90 days so it was a fair playing field, but that's coming up next month, so stay tuned for that as well. Again, if you liked this video, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps me out and helps out my channel. And that's it for this one, you guys. I will catch you guys next time.